Hello everyone. Now question number 9. It is written that simplify means you have to solve this question as much as you can. So first we will use the exponent concept. So it would be 2 by 3 and 2 multiply 3, and here this is 2 by 3 power minus 4, 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1 multiply 1 by 6. Now in next step you can write it 2 by 3 power 6 multiply 2 by 3 power minus 4, and since here the power is negative, so you can write it 1 by 3 power 1, so it will be 1 by 3. Now can we use the law in these two parts? In these two parts, can we use the law? Yes, we can use the law. So, since bases are same and it is in the multiplication forms, you can add the powers together and write the other terms as it is. So, it will be 2 by 3, 6 plus minus 4. So, 6 minus 4 will be 2. Multiply 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 6. So in next step, what will you do? You will solve it by opening the bracket. Since the power is 2, so you will write 2 by 3 2 times and 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 6. So what should be next step? What it should be? Cancel the term. So whatever be the left, you will multiply together. So it will be 2 upon 81 as the answer. Question 10. Find the reciprocals of these numbers or these rational numbers. To find out the reciprocal, first we will solve this whole part and then we will try to do the reciprocal. And since the power is negative, so we will make it positive first. So it will be 3 by 2 power 3. Now we will change this this division sign in the form of multiplication. So how can we change it in multiplication? And this, while doing the multiplication sign, the next base will become interchange. It will become reciprocal. So it will become 2 by 3. Now you will solve it for the 2, multiply 2 times, and 2 by 3 you will multiply it 3 times. 3 times. And observe, can we able to cancel any term here? No, we can't. So what we will do? We will multiply upper terms together and lower terms together. So 32 upon 27. But the question is, we have to find out the reciprocal. So what should be the reciprocal here? Reciprocal will be 27 by 32. 27 by 32. In second part, again we will follow the same type of concept. So first we will solve it. So how can we solve it? 2 by 5 3 times. Since we can't apply any law here, so we will open the bracket like this itself. So next step, cancel the terms. Cancel it. So whatever be the left out, 2 by 5 multiply 4. Here this 2 also it can be cancelled out. So it will be 1 upon 5 multiply 2. That would be 10. Now you have to write its reciprocal. So reciprocal means you have to interchange their position. So it will be 10 upon 1, or straight away you can write the 10 also. In question 11, Question 11. You have to express with positive exponent. Observe, in this case it is negative power. So how will you write it in positive power? By interchanging the position of base. So it will become reciprocal and it will become 2 by 3 and the power will become positive. Since it is written that positive exponent means the power, you have to keep the answer in the power form. So you will not solve it further. Similarly, first you will solve it by using the law. So 3 power minus 6. Now you will write it in positive exponent. So 1 by 3 power 6. How will you do the third part? Use the law. 2 plus minus 3. So it will be 7 power minus 1. So write it in positive exponent. So 1 by 7 power 1, or you can write 1 by 7 itself. But since it has been asked to write it in exponent form, positive exponent form, so it will be better if you will write it power 1. In fourth part, solve it for first. So minus 2 multiply 3. So it will be 5 by 8 power minus 6. Now change it in positive. So 8 by 5 power 6. In fifth part, 2 by 5. Use the law. Bases are same and it is in the multiplication form. So how will you write it? You will add the powers here and so 2 by 5 power 2. Observe in this case, after solving it, you are getting the power as positive itself. So no need to change the base. In sixth part, first you will solve the bracket. So it is in the division form. So first power minus second power. And write this term as it is. So it would be 8 power minus 2 multiply 8 power minus 4. Now it is in the multiplication form and the bases are same. So what will you do? You will add the powers. Add the powers. Okay. So it will be 8 power minus 2 minus 4 and it will become 8 power minus 6. Now change it in positive exponent. So it will be 1 by 8. The base you have to make it reciprocal. So 1 by 8 power 6 will be the answer. In question 12, you have to express it in negative exponent or power. So negative, the positive power you will change it in negative exponent. So again same procedure, reverse the base. Change the base means you have to reciprocal the base. So 7 by 1 or 7 and the power will become minus 5. So first you will solve it. 2 multiply 9. So it will be 3 power 18. Now how will you write it in a negative exponent? Change the base in reciprocal and the power will become negative. So first thing in the third part, you will solve it since bases are same. So and it is in the multiplication form. So add the power. So it will become 5 power 8. Now write it in negative exponent. So it will become, what it should become? 1 by 5 power minus 8. In fourth part, it will be minus 8 by 9. So what should be first step? 3 multiply 9. 3 multiply 9. So here minus 8 by 9 power 3 multiply 2. Solve it. Minus 8 by 9 power would be 6. Now to write it in negative exponent, what will you do? you will change the base, or we can say reciprocal the base to write it in negative exponent. In fifth part, bases are same and it is in division form. So what should be first step? You will write 5 by 7 first power minus second power. So 3 minus 2. So it will be 5 by 7 power 1. Now how will you write this part in negative exponent? Reciprocal the base. So it will become 7 by 5 and the power will become negative. In sixth part, again you will solve the bracket first. So you will solve the bracket first since bases are same. So first power minus second power in division concept. So first power minus second power and write the outer term as it is. So it will be 2 power 1 multiplied 2 power 2. Bases are same. So and it is in multiplication form. So what will you do? You will add the powers. Now again in this case the power is positive. So to make it negative you will write 1 by 2 reciprocal the base and the power will become minus. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.